Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First time, I will want to thanks to UNSAS that give me a time to present my research, my paper with the title is Surface Roughness Optimization of Lathe Process for Mild Steel 37 using Taguchi method. My name is Anisiti Nurhayati and my second author is Sabaruddin Shah. We are from Mechanical Engineering Department, Faculty of Science and Technology, Universitas Muhammadiyah Kalimantan Timur, Samarinda. And next, why we conduct this experiment? Now, the production quality is one of main focus in manufacturing industry. Turning process is one of machining process in the manufacturing industry. In the turning process, the surface roughness of the workpiece that is not treatable is a problem that is often encountered. So, based on the research, ideas arise to analyze the value or level of roughness in the turning process with using Taguchi method. Data analysis and in this study use the Taguchi method and statistical analysis or ANOVA, analysis of variance, to determine the most influential parameter on the level of surface roughness. What is Taguchi method? Taguchi method is one of the methods in which its application is to minimize defects. The Taguchi method was first introduced by Dr. Kenichi Taguchi in 1949. This method has often been used in industry. The Taguchi method is a method that aims to improve product quality and production processes simultaneously to reduce costs to a minimum. In Taguchi method, there are three main stages that include an experimental approach, namely that is experiment planning, experimental implementation, and experimental analysis. Experimental planning is the most important stage, such as determining goals, formulating experimental, problem determining, selecting dependence variable, knowing factor, differentiation control factor, and confounding factor, then selecting the number of level and factor values. The second is experiment implementation. And the state of implementing this experiment is an important stage in collecting test results. If an experiment is implemented according to a well-designed one, it will make it easier for researchers to conduct analysis and can get more accurate results. The third one is the stage of experimental analysis. The experimental analysis stage is a data processing stage, namely data collection, data calculation, data management, and delivery of experimental data, where this analysis uses ANOVA or analysis of variance. That is a Taguchi method that we use in our experiment. Then is quality characteristic. In this experiment, we use characteristic is smaller is better. Smaller is better is a quality characteristic with a non-negative value that has a value starting from 0. So that the one with the smallest value or close to 0 is the better value. And the equation for smaller is better is S per n equal to minus 10 log 10, 1 per n, sum E equals 1 until n, E quadrat. Then is the design of experiment. In general, in carrying out the DOE or design of experiment procedure, there are 6 main steps, such as determining the purpose of the experiment, selected the related variables, determining the experimental design, collect data, checking whether the data taken is in accordance with the experimental assumption, and analyzing the experimental data. This is the design of experiment. So this is our research methodology. In our experiment, we use 5 control factors and 2 levels for each control factor. The factors such as spindle speed, feed rate, depth of cut, cooling, and carriage reversing wheel. In each factor, we have 2 levels. For example, for spindle speed, in level 1 is 345 RPM, and in level 2 is 140 RPM, and etc. This is our result and analysis. Our analysis is ANOVA, or analysis of variance. This is the result. In Taguchi method, we calculate the sum square for each factor. So this is, we can see that for source A, the SS value is 7.02, with percentage is 3%. Factor B is 0.21, with percentage is 0.12. And source E, or factor E, the SS value is 148.72. The percentage is 83.60%. With this ANOVA result, we can see that factor E, or source E, is the height value. Is the height value that influence the surface roughness. This is 83.60%. So we can say that factors E and factor A are significantly influence the surface roughness of the ST37. So this is the factor that most significantly influence. In the experiment, we use confidence level 95%. So the risk, or alpha, is 5%. In Taguchi method, we use F theta and F table. If F theta is more than F table, so the experiment is valid. For example, the value of E, for factor E, the value is 170, is more than F table. F table that in this experiment is 4.26. Also in factor A, and the F data is 8.30, is more than bigger or higher than F table. F table is 4.26. Based on the statistical analysis, factors E and A are the large significant factors that influence the average of value for the surface roughness with at least a 95% confidence level. So based on the statistical analysis, this is the mean, or SN ratio versus carriage reversing wheel. You can see that when one equal to automation of carriage reversing wheel, and zero is manual carriage wheel. So we can see that when the carriage is automation, the SN ratio is good. That we can see that we use in our experiment, we use the smaller is better. So this small is the small is the better. So when the carriage is automation or equal to 1, the value of SN ratio is good. Then with carriage is manual carriage, so the SN ratio is high. This is the figure, the effect of spindle speed and fit rate on surface roughness. Based on the graph, we can see that when the spindle speed is small or low and fit rate is high, so the roughness average is in standard in turning process 0.5 until 6 for turning process. The standard roughness in turning process is 0.5 between 0.5 and 6. So when the spindle speed is small and the fit rate is high, the roughness is good, is in the standard value. But if the spindle speed is small and the fit is if the spindle speed is high and the fit rate is small, then the roughness is also good. In yellow color and green color is not in it. It is not a standard value in turning process. So we can use this value. This is the effect of spindle speed and carry traversing wheel on surface roughness. We can see that when the spindle speed is small or low, and the carry traversing is 1, so the roughness average is good in a red, a blue, and for green and yellow, this is not in a standard of turning process. So we can see that the carry traversing wheel in automation is a good value we can use in analysis surface roughness. The conclusion is the research or experimental process was successfully done, and the data was collected through the turning process. Based on the analysis data, we found that the carrying traversing wheel is the main factor that influences the surface roughness. Increasing spindle speed has a negative effect on the surface roughness, or other way, spindle speed is not significant effect for surface roughness. In contrast, the fit rate does not affect the surface roughness, while the small depth of cut is relatively affects. So this is our presentation. Thank you for the attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.